What if one small nightly habit could help you wake up lighter, calmer, and more energized? Tonight, try turmeric water. This golden ritual can quietly shift your sleep, your digestion, and your glow. Stay with me for a simple plan you can start tonight. Turmeric is a spice rich in curcumin, a natural compound loved for its anti-inflammatory power. When you sip it warm at night, your body gets time to absorb it without daily stress in the way. Nighttime is your reset window, and turmeric water can quietly support that reset. Here are the benefits you can expect. 1. Eases inflammation. Curcumin supports joint comfort so you wake up less stiff. 2. Calmer digestion. Warmth plus turmeric can soothe bloating and nighttime indigestion. 3. Rest support. A settled gut often means deeper, more restful sleep. 4. Gentle detox support. It helps your natural nightly cleanup pathways. 5. Less morning heaviness. Many people report waking up lighter. 6. Immune support. Antioxidants help your defenses while you rest. 7. Easy, affordable, consistent. A simple habit you can actually keep. 8. A calming nightly ritual that signals your brain it is time to wind down. 9. Skin glow. Antioxidants fight dullness from within. 10. Metabolic support. A steady, warm routine can support a steadier metabolism. 11. Stress response. The ritual helps shift you toward rest and digest. 12. Less late-night snacking. The warm spice satisfies and steadies cravings. Bonus, a pinch of black pepper can boost curcumin absorption. Keep it simple and warm, not boiling, to protect the goodness. Consistency builds benefits. Think small, nightly, and kind. Now here is exactly how to make it. Step 1. Warm 150-200 milliliters of water. Not boiling, just sippable. Step 2. Add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric or a half-inch freshly grated. Step 3. Pinch of black pepper. Optional. Lemon for brightness, honey for comfort. Step 4. Stir well and sip 30-45 minutes before bed. Pair it with screens off and low lights to help melatonin rise. Add 2 minutes of breathing or stretching. Keep it peaceful and unhurried. Aim for most nights for 2 weeks, then notice how you feel. If you are pregnant, on blood thinners, or have gallbladder issues, check with your clinician. Start small and listen to your body. Make your nights golden and your mornings brighter.